Withdrawing money from Kraken to any bank account is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Firstly, you have to log in to your Kraken account using your credentials. Now, go to the funding or deposit section on the Kraken platform. The exact wording may vary. Then choose the option for withdraw or withdrawal. This is where you initiate the process to move funds from your Kraken account. After that, select the currency you want to withdraw and the withdrawal method. For example, bank transfer. Now provide the necessary details, including the withdrawal amount and your bank account information. Then make sure the bank details are accurate to avoid any issues. After that, Kraken may have security measures in place, such as two-factor authentication. Now follow the additional verification steps if required. Then review the withdrawal details carefully. Confirm the withdrawal request. After confirming, monitor the withdrawal status on Kraken. Then, you may receive notifications or updates regarding the withdrawal process. So this is how you can withdraw money from Kraken to any bank account.